Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether Remitly supports cash pickup transfers. Yes, Remitly fully supports cash pickup transfers, allowing your recipient to collect physical cash directly from a designated payout location without needing a bank account. To send a cash pickup transfer, start by logging into your Remitly account via the app or website and select cash pickup as your delivery method. You will need to provide the recipient's full legal name as it appears on their government-issued identification, along with their location and contact number. Next, choose your funding source, which can be a bank account, debit card, credit card, or prepaid card, depending on your country of residence. Review the exchange rates and transfer fees carefully before completing the transaction, as pricing varies based on how fast you want the money to arrive and how you choose to pay. Once the transfer is submitted, Remitly generates a unique tracking reference number that you must share securely with your recipient. They will need to present this reference number, along with a valid government-issued photo ID that matches the name you provided, at the chosen pickup partner location to collect the funds. Partner networks vary by destination country and may include local banks, microfinance institutions, retail stores, or dedicated money transfer agents like RIA, Capel, or Bancolombia. Payout speeds depend on your funding method, with debit and credit card transfers typically available for immediate cash pickup, while bank account transfers may take a few business days to clear. Keep in mind that cash pickup locations have specific operating hours, and unclaimed transfers are typically canceled and refunded after a set period if they are not picked up. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.